Hello and welcome back. Today in this video, we are going to see the cheapest available LED TV in the market. We are going to do a quick unboxing and also see the features. Before we start, do hit the subscribe button and like the video. My name is Suraj, you're watching eAirtec. Let's begin. This here, what I have is the eAirtec TV HD LED. I got it from Amazon for a little less than 5,000. It's available on Amazon for 5,500 rupees. But you get a 10% discount with most of the credit cards or debit cards. So you get it below 5,000. This is the cheapest available TV in the market today. It is HD and LED TV. So what we'll do is we'll do a quick unboxing. So it's quite a good packing actually. It's very well packed. Just to let you know that this is not my primary TV. I have a different TV which I use on a daily basis. This is just to see, because you might have seen the video ads with Hardik Pandya and Noora Fateh. Right, so here's the TV. If you see, it's Make in India campaign mentioned over it. This is a Made in India TV. This is very nicely packed actually. You see, we have this TV. Okay, this is the TV. It looks perfectly alright to me. Right, so here is the TV. These are some screws in it. If you want to hang it on the wall, these are the wall hangers. So what we'll do now is we'll quickly set this all up and we'll review the picture quality, the sound quality of the TV. So I have set up the TV. This is what it is. This is the remote of the TV. Doesn't look too premium, but yeah, okay for this price. Let's quickly turn it on. Okay, eAirtec. All right. So this is the TV. The sound quality is okay. It doesn't have much of a bass. The picture quality is good. No complaints with that. For this price range. Right, so I've turned off the volume. The picture quality is good. The sound quality is not that great, and but yeah, to this price range, this is what you can expect. Just to show you what we have here down, if I show you, if I can. Okay, so we have two HDMI ports. One I have plugged in the HDMI cable. There's one free. We have audio output, VGA. We also have aux output. Okay, so that's what we have here. Also, what we have, if we check on the side, we have all these buttons, the menu, volume up, volume down, power, etc. So that's the back of the TV. Yep, so that's about it. All right, so this is the TV and this is the video, guys. If you do like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more such videos.